Hi everyone, today I'm here with the unboxing of the Hermès Clair de Lune shawl. So here it is 140 centimeters, so I will do my best to show this to you. As with most Hermès shawls, it is 70% cashmere and 30% silk. So it's very soft and lightweight, perfect for a little bit of extra warmth on a cold day. So as you can hopefully see, as I said, it's kind of hard to do when I'm sitting down. This shawl design is of a moon, the Pegasus in the middle, and various geometric motifs throughout the moon, and stars, planets, and galaxies on the sides. The Clair de lune is a very popular scarf. I believe the most common color is black. You can find red and orange online as well. This one here is brown or camel and blanc. So brown and blanc for the white. And we thought it was a good color choice, something that's a little bit different, but still neutral and pairs well with a bunch of different clothes. So definitely looking forward to using this winter. One other thing to note about this scarf is that the name right here is at the very top, Clair de lune, and then at the very bottom is Hermès Paris. So in the US, as of November 2023, the shawl retails for $1,225. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.